say you can be the king. They say you can be everything. They say you just gotta dream. That if you wish it hard enough, it'll all come true. We're living in this day and age where we all long to get on stage. Just keep thinking hard about it, 'cause if you want it hard enough, it'll all come true. I'm playing these games with a bad hand of cards. Didn't win yet, but I'm trying hard. I walk a mile from the valley to the bay. I walk a mile, and I do it every day. I walk a mile, and slowly make my way. I walk a mile, and I'll be there someday. There's nothing that stops me being free, as long as my feet will carry me. Some might say stay with what you know. Our train was leaving long ago. We were already born into our fate, so there's no need to reach for something you can see. I'm playing this game with a bad hand of cards. Didn't win yet, but I'm trying hard. I walk a mile from the valley to the bay. I walk a mile, and I do it every day. I walk a mile, and slowly make my way. I walk a mile, and I'll be there someday. There's nothing that stops me being free, as long as my feet will carry me. As long as my feet will carry me. I know my fears, I know my ground. I'll be safe and I'll be sound. I will keep my head up high as I walk through darkest nights. When the sun comes back around, still my boots will touch the ground. Still my feet will walk the line. I will walk another mile. And I'm playing this game with a bad hand of cards. Didn't win yet, but I'm trying hard. I walk a mile from the valley to the bay. I walk